Hi there, little friends. Welcome to Auro, English for Kids. Today, we're exploring a super fun topic, your everyday school supplies. Let's learn their names and find out how they help you learn and grow. Ready to start? Let's go! Do you know what this school supply is, kids? Pencil. 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 Hey kids, can you guess what this school tool is? Eraser. 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 What school supply is this, kids? Sharpener. 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 Can you name this school supply, kids? Ruler. 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 What is this item? Highlighter. 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 What is this used for? Notebook. 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 Do you know what this object is? Textbook. 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 Do you know what this school supply is, kids? Crayon. 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 What is this thing? Colored pencil. Colored pencil. Colored pencil. Do you know what this school supply is, kids? Paint. 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 What school supply is this, kids? Scissors. 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 Can you guess what this tool is? Glue. 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 Do you know what this object is? Tape. 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 Can you guess what this tool is? Stapler. 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 Our lesson for today comes to an end here. Auro see you again in the next videos.
Bye-bye.